Hi kids, today we are going to see insect catching game. Let us change our sprite now. Let me choose a butterfly. Make the size of the butterfly to 40. My butterfly will start from here and it will fall down, and we have a net here and we use to catch this butterfly. Okay, so I'm going to change only the Y because I'm going to concentrate only the Y. X can be in random positions. Go to events. When clicked, motions, go to random position, and my Y should be here, somewhat up. So what is my Y position? 184. Let it be 180. 180. Let me start my Y from 180. Then what I have to do is forever my Y position should be reduced and my butterfly should come from the top to the bottom. So go for controls, take forever loop, and go for motions, take change Y by -5. Okay, let me check now. Is what happens, it just takes a random position and it comes down. After reaching here, it's going on, still my process is not ended. So what I have to do, it again starts from top. So let me stop this. Let me see what's the y axis here. What is the y here is -74, -174. Let's go for conditioning. Let me take if, and it should be greater than. So go for operators, get the greater than symbol operator. And what is my y position here? -174. Change this to -174. If my sprite position, y position of my sprite is greater than -174, it should start from the again. So go for motions. There you can find y position, x position. Just drag and drop here. If my y position is greater than -175, what I have to do? Go for random positions. And again set my y axis to 180. Here the 180 plus 180. Okay, not greater than, it is less than. It's negative sign, so I have to go for less than. So -174. Okay, it's fine. See, and we got it. It takes a random position. Let's have a catcher now. Let's have a net here. We don't have net in our sprite list, so let us draw our own sprite. Okay kids, let's go for choose sprite and go for paint, and let's start to draw our net. Choose oval, filling is white, and draw a oval and take a line. And here a line, make a line, just make it and choose this resize. Yes, fine. Now I'm going to have my lines here. So and a stick here. Okay, and we got it here. Just convert it to bitmap. Go to code. Here we got a sprite and make a sprite size to 50. Let us place here or even make it as 40. Okay, let it be 45. Okay, let's start to code to our net. Okay, so when click events, for our loop, we are going to code this for left and right keys. Okay, and go for condition if. And what it should be? It should be a right key or left key. So get key pressed. Let me choose for right first, right arrow. If right arrow is clicked, what? It should be increased by 10. The x-axis should be increased by 10. So change x by 10. And again other condition, take a condition and go for sensing and take a left arrow. If it is my left arrow, then go for motions, change x by -10. See, we are going to move only horizontally, not vertically. So we have to concentrate only on x. Okay, give -10. Let's check now. Yes, it's working. Okay. So again, go for butterfly and go for controls. Go for events. When click. Go for forever loop. Go for if condition. If my insect touched this sprite. Okay. Go for sensing. If touching the sprite. If touching the sprite, then what it should do is I need a sound. So go for sounds. Play a pop sound. And then what I have to do, the butterfly should again go to the top. So what I have to do, go for motions, drag and drop the random position, go to random position, and I need to set y to again 180, positive 180. Okay kids, let us check now. More butterflies now. Right click, duplicate, 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 and duplicate. Okay, let us make this more interesting by just giving a weight. Click the butterfly 2 and give weight 1 second, and click butterfly 3, click weight 0.5 seconds, and 4 drag and drop and give 0.6 seconds, and 5 give wait for 1 second, and for sixth butterfly just give wait for 0.3 seconds. Yes, it's working. Let us still make our butterfly too small. Let's go for 30. Change the size for all butterflies to 30. Check everything, it is 30. Here it is 40. Yes, everything is right. Let us have other sprite which is error. We should catch only the butterflies, not any other thing. So let us have other sprite here. Yes, let's have this. If I catch this, my game should be over and my score reduced to -5. Still we didn't have a score, no? Okay, let's first have a score for this. What we have to do score for making a score? Go for variables, make a variable, go for score, and you get a variable here, score, and set my variable. When click here, when click set my score to 0. Then when it is touched, then my variable to set my score to 1. Okay, have this all here. Set score to 0 and change my score to 1. And for butterfly 3, score to 0, change score to 1. And butterfly 4, set score to 0 and change score by 1. Here set the score to 0, change score by 1, and here also set score, change score by 1. But for this sprite, let me change the size to 50. What should happen if I touch this? What happens? My game should be stopped. Okay, just I'll drag and drop everything here. Okay, kids, I got here. Yes, this part will be same, but if touches the sprite, what happens? Let me change the sound. So let me go for sounds. Let me check for a sound. Choose sound. Sound. Go for code and go for sounds. Here play sound, drag and drop play sound. I'll take it off. And my score should be reduced to -5, -5. And what happened? What should happen? My process should be stopped. All my process should be stopped. So go for controls. There you have stop all, drag and drop here. Okay, kids, let us check it. And we can make this more interesting by adding some background. Go for background. Since it is an insect catching, let me go for a forest theme. Forest. Let me have some other one. Is it this good? Let me choose it. Wow, very good, very nice. Make your own sprites, make your own things. You can have a balls and a bowl instead of a butterfly and a net, and you can make it more interesting by having many more backgrounds. Thank you, kids.